My name's Connie Walker. I'm doing travel and tourism, and I've got to say my favourite thing about the course is definitely learning everything that happens behind the scenes in the industry. There's loads of stuff we learn about on the course. We've got a number of different units that we learn about. So some of them can be with cabin crew, or there's other ones like airports, or there's tour guiding, or there's cruise industry. It really varies, and you really get to realise how much really does go on within travel and tourism. Jeanette is lovely, honestly, she's amazing. She's always there. She's there to support you and have the best for you. So like if there's ever a time where you don't think you're going to meet the deadline of work, she's so supportive and making it work for you rather than always having that pressure of you need to get this done by that date. Like she's just amazing and she works around what you need and what's best for you. And that's what I find so great at college, because you get treated more as an adult who has a life outside of college. They take that into consideration. There was a time where I was just finding it so hard to cope with, just so much stress around me, with everyday life, with work and then with the workload and just things going on in general. I just felt so manic and I was just working myself to the brim and I just couldn't take it anymore. And Jeanette just took me to the side and was like, you need to focus on you. And she really looked after my well-being and she treated me like an actual human. And it was just amazing to show that sincerity, that your tutors are there to guide you and help you out. And yes, college work is so important and you do need to get it done, but they do also treat you as a human. And it's that one time when Jeanette was just like, you need to take a step back and just relax and take it at your own pace, basically. And that's what really made me fall in love with college, because I just felt like, you know what, I've got this, because they're here to help me. And yeah, that was one of the amazing times where I felt like they really reached out and went above and beyond. Travel and tourism is amazing with their trips. We went to Fort Park, we done air hostess and air cabin training. That was absolutely amazing. We went up to Bournemouth and we went on a fuselage and we actually managed to do some of the exercises that they do. And then the big trip that we done, we went to Disneyland Paris, and that was one of the best times ever in my whole entire life. It was so good, it was amazing. After I finish college, I obviously want to go somewhere within the travel and tourism industry. I'm thinking maybe somewhere around tour operator and travel agency wise. And then when I feel like I've hit a decent age where I've gathered enough experience, or maybe around 21, become an air hostess. Well, hopefully, fingers crossed, become an air hostess. In my opinion, travel and tourism is, obviously I'm biased when I say this, but it's one of the best courses you can choose, because it just, even though it is mainly based around travel and tourism, you learn so much else with it. You learn so much about the British economy, you learn all the behind the scenes of what goes on, and it's just amazing because you get to, it's not just one topic, there's so much to do with it and there's so many branches that it splits off into. So there's one thing that could really shine out to you and you'd be like, oh my gosh, that's amazing, I didn't know this before, I want to go down that route. It has so much to offer and you never know what you're going to find because every day is different here.